Hi friends, I'm Farmer Sharon, and it's springtime here at Bowers Farm. We're getting ready to start working on our garden, and we thought it would be a great idea for you guys to come along and see what it takes to get these seedlings in the ground and get our garden growing. So let's go. This is Farmer Emily. Farmer Emily, can you tell the boys and girls what you did to get the ground ready to put the seedlings in?
Yeah, so this is the garden right here. Right now we are getting it ready to plant our first round of seedlings, and that means we had to sort of wake up the soil from when it was sleeping over the winter. So we used a couple different tools. One's called a broad fork. I can show you later. And we sort of woke up the soil by turning it a little bit. We measured out all the beds and set up the water, and we're going to plant our seeds today.
That sounds great. We're ready to get started. Farmer Amy is busy at work in the garden. What are you planting here today, Farmer Amy?
Hi guys, so I'm going to be planting 2 rows of collard greens. We're doing them a foot apart, so we're measuring with our little trowel here. They'll go in, and then we'll do the next row staggered, so they'll be a foot apart. These will be 2 full rows of collards. Then we're going to plant a row of kohlrabi also.
Okay. What is the black hose for?
The black hose, this is called our drip line. So this is how the plants get water in case we don't get a lot of rain. It drips the water slowly into the soil right at the roots where the plants need to get their nutrition from the water. So we've got the whole garden fixed with drip line irrigation, and that's the way they get the water.
Do they need to be watered every day?
You know, it depends on the plant itself and what kind of weather we're having. But usually we kind of just play it by ear and see what it needs.
Awesome. Thanks, Farmer Amy.
Thank you.
Farmer Hannah and Farmer Emily are busy at work in their little patch. What are you ladies doing?
So we're planting cabbage right now. So something that's really important when you're taking transplants out of the container is to loosen up the roots a little bit, because they start to wrap around themselves because they're growing in a plastic container, and they'll be so much happier when we plant them into the ground. The roots can expand.
Does that help them spread a little easier? Okay. Farmer Emily,
Yes.
what can you tell us about this little patch of garden?
What can I tell you?
Yeah.
So last year we grew squash here, and this year we are growing greens. And it's important to rotate which crops that you are growing in any particular place, so that way you're sort of mixing up, I don't know, what do you call it? So different plants require different nutrients.
Yes,
mixing up the nutrients. And so if you plant the same crop in the same spot over and over again, your soil will get depleted of the same nutrient. Yeah, so crop rotation is an important part for like maintaining soil health year after year. And we have really amazing soil here at Bowers Farm, and one of the reasons we do is because we do some crop rotation each season.
Later on, we'll have to take a look at the map that you drew up and show our viewers what we're going to be planting and where everything's going to go this year.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Hi, Farmer Lori. What are you planting today?
I am planting lettuces, a variety of lettuces, and in order to plant these, they need to be about 10 inches apart, and all we're doing is we're spacing it across the drip line from each other. We're just digging a gentle hole and then gently pressing it in, but just around it, we're not compacting it too much.
Does that keep the water in? If you press it gently like that, does it help the water stay in a little bit better?
Yeah, the soil needs to be loose in order to get the water even through the soil and the roots to grow out.
So there are different types of lettuces, it looks like, not just one.
There are. We've got green leaf lettuces, we've got red leaf lettuces.
That's awesome. Thank you, Farmer Lori. Farmer Amy, it looks like you found something really interesting in the dirt. What do you have here?
Hi, you know what? When I was digging, I came across some little snail shells. And these sometimes have come when we've had deliveries of old seaweed that's been churned up from the ponds and lakes around here. Sometimes those little empty shells get into our garden. And what happens is these break down. You can kind of see it kind of puffs like this, and that makes good nutrition in the soil for our plants.
So it's like built-in fertilizer.
Exactly.
That's awesome. Thanks for sharing that.
Yep.
We're so glad you were able to join us today while we planted our garden here at Bowers. Keep an eye out for that fresh produce sign